Hi everyone, Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a beautiful holiday and welcome to the new year. I have a great book for us today. There's a little bit of snow on the ground right now. I love the snow, I love birds. So this is a perfect book for us to read together today. We're going to try something new today. So in this book, we're going to learn about the sounds and the bird calls that birds make. So we're going to read our story, and I'm going to try to also play the bird calls for you. So this recording will be a little bit longer, but I'd like to try to tie in the bird sounds to go with the book. You can do this on your iPad, or if you have a phone, or ask mom or dad or caregiver. There is an app called Merlin that you can look up, and it does identify bird sounds for you. Today we're just going to use our desktop to see what the sounds are. Snowbirds, words by Kirsten Hall and pictures by Jenni Desmond. Snowbirds. And I'm hoping you'll be able to hear the sounds okay. Blue jay. Our first bird is a blue jay. So here is our blue jay call. Let's turn that up a little bit. So that is our blue jay. Look, in the tree, a blue jay feeder, carved with care from fine red cedar, hung with love, set facing east, a call to all. It's a peanut feast. Look, here they come, a blue jay pair. They hop, they stop, they test the air. They take their gifts but hide them away. They'll need them more on a winter's day. Blue jay. And these are birch trees. Although I think it said here red cedar. So I could be wrong, but they look like a birch tree. Oh, the red cedar was the bird feeder. That's where it was. Now I got it. Okay, our second bird is Carolina wren. So let me type that in our website and see what that sounds like. Okay, friends, here we go. Little wrens roam in search of home. Car or box, cans or blocks, fern or nest, which one's best? And according to our book, it sounds like the bird is saying tea kettle. Our next bird is a common redpoll. So let me look that one up for us. Thanks for bearing with me here. Common redpoll sounds like this. Zip zap, flip flap, an acrobat with a crimson cap. Peck, inspect, knock, collect. A tiny bird of great intellect. Chit, chit, chit. Our next bird is a snow bunting. That's a good one for today with some snow on the ground. Okay, let's hear this one. By the way, this is a nonfiction picture book, which means it's about something true. So if you're interested in science and history and things that are true versus made up stories, imaginative stories, nonfiction picture books are a great way to go. Here's our snow bunting. chit tick, come quick, come quick. A flurry is hurrying through the air. Twinkling lights and magical flight, they'll land again soon. But where? Our next bird is a snow goose, which you probably have all seen before. Okay, here we go. Snowflakes whirling, snowflocks swirling. Streaks of white twirl through the night. Then lower, slower, home, a good night. Let me play that one again for you so you can hear it with the page. Our next bird is called the black rosy finch. I hope you're enjoying listening to these. And they sound like, oh no. Okay, I don't think it's in our computer. But you know what? We will do a finch. We can make a finch sound. Oh, here we go. Oh, I found it. Black rosy finch. Here we go. Cute one. Hop, stop. Hop, stop. So much snow. Check, peck. Check, peck. Come on, let's go. Peep, cheep. Peep, cheep. We want more. Till back they bounce through the barn house door. Choo choo, choo choo choo. Our next bird is an Atlantic puffin. Let's learn about the Atlantic puffin. Okay, guys, here we go. Okay, that one's unique. That sounds like someone's belly's growling. Atlantic puffin. It starts with a splash. Bubble rings, it's gone in a flash. Beating wings, the sea parrot steers. Left and right, lower, slower, dimming light. Danger, danger, school's dismissed. The puffin hunts the ones it missed. Snatch, catch. This battle of wills will end with a flapping, fish-filled bill. Our next bird is called an ivory gull. I wonder if that's like a seagull. Let's see. Let's see. See what I did there with that joke. Out of the blue comes dinner for two. In such harsh conditions, it's what they must do. Bohemian waxwing. This is going to be a cool one, I bet. Let's see. That's a cool one. Bohemian waxwing. First there were two, then a few, then four, then more, and more and more. Dark clouds winging, taunting, singing. The lawless flock has come for the hawk. The frightened raptor sits frozen still. Will they ever leave? Yes, they will. But for now, this hawk's fear is their thrill. Ooh, great gray owl. You probably have heard this one before, but let's check it out. There are lots of different owl sounds. Here we go. Great gray owl plunging from her post, a hawk-bellied forest ghost. Did the hare escape? Almost. Ruffed grouse. This is one you may not have heard. Let's see what the ruffed grouse sounds like. Sounds really quiet. Okay, that one you can barely hear. Let's try another grouse. Let's see. Sounds like bubbles. Ruffed grouse. Beneath the snow lies a winter house, a tunneled hole for a sleeping grouse. It dreams of trembling aspen flowers, breakfast in just a few short hours. For now, sleep tight, little grouse, and keep warm. You're safe in your white-walled winter dorm. Snowy owl. Oh, we have another owl. Let's see how different this sounds than the great gray owl. Thanks for being patient, everyone, while I look these up. I hope you're enjoying the story. Okay, here we go. That is deeper. That's a deeper sound than the other. Snowy owl. Up above, a crescent moon. Down below, a crested dune. In the air, a haunting tune. Don't come near here anytime soon. Black-capped chickadee. This one actually, I believe, says the sound in its name. I think it says chickadee-dee-dee. Let's see. Here we go. Black-capped chickadee. Shaking, quaking in a tree. A stoic, heroic chickadee. Fluffing, puffing out of sight. Heating, beating this winter night. Couple more words to go, friends. Golden crowned kinglet. Okay, Let's see. That's a cute one. 5 little kings, warriors with wings. Each frigid night means time to fight. They find their fort a feathered a feathered court, then shiver and quiver, each lending support. American tree sparrow is next. We're almost at the end of our story. I think I counted 17 birds in this book, so you will learn 17 new birds by the time we finish. American tree sparrow, friends. That's a quiet one. Sparrows sing, cool air rings, in tiny bell sounds. Melting snow, time to go. Back to breeding grounds. The illustrations in this book are really beautiful. Oh, I know you've heard this one before. Downy woodpecker. Let's hear that sound. There we go. It's a little chirp. Peck, 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 peck. Where are the insects? Let me check. Drum, 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 drum. I call for a mate, but will she come? Drill, drill, drill. Drill, drill, drill. I'm building a home for eggs to fill. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, 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 knock. It's here at last. It's spring o'clock. Ooh, this is a beautiful one. Northern cardinal. The male cardinal is the bright red one. Okay, northern cardinal, friends. What cheer, cheer, cheers do the cardinals say? Springtime is coming, it's weeks away. Somewhere nearby flies a bumblebee queen. Under the snowfall's world of green. Bushes are budding and bursting below. A strong earthy scent lies beneath all that snow. Butterflies waltz in the wind, let's cheer. Signs all around us show springtime is near. So we're coming out of the winter months in our book now, into the spring. And we're back to Blue Jay. We did all of them, friends. Let's put our Blue Jay back on. You did such a good job sticking in there with me while I was looking these up. Thank you. Let's listen to our Blue Jay as we read our last few pages. There he is. Look, in the tree, a blue jay nest. Sticks were gathered and twigs compressed. See how she shaped them like a cup? Home, sweet home. Click, click, look up. Look, in the sky, a second jay. Bearing gifts, he's come to stay. Mating, waiting, still just two. But spring will bring more life anew. So we've got some eggs in the nest up here. And at the end of our book, it tells us how we met all the birds in the book. We learned a lot about bird sounds today. And a little bit about the book itself. Thank you so much for reading with me. That was so fun. I appreciate you sticking in there with me for so long. I hope you have a good snowy day, maybe Monday. Maybe you could look for some birds and do some listening for birds. And have your grown-up maybe help you identify those bird sounds out in the wild. Birds are such an important part of nature, and it's so cool to learn about them. Thank you so much for reading with me, friends, and I hope to see you at the library. Bye.